Hi, and welcome to this week's edition of the Rugged Rundown. And today I'm going to be talking about the Panasonic Toughbook FZ-55, Panasonic's newest semi-rugged laptop that took over for the Panasonic Toughbook CF54. The FZ-55, some of the nice features in a nutshell, has to be the keyboard. Being a backlit, chiclet keyboard, it is a nice keyboard to type on. I also like how they increase the size of the mouse pad right here so that when you're using it, you have a larger area to use as the mouse pad. Some other nice features, and obviously the number one upgrade on this from previous models is XPack technology, which means that it is user upgradable. So you can put two batteries, one here and one in here, so you have double battery power. Or you can use one of these bays for other XPack modules, like another hard drive, secondary hard drive, or something of that nature. Another nice thing is on the back here, and this one already has one of the XPacks, but you can see the screw. This module would pop out, and you can put an XPack here, and this particular unit has the XPack in it, which gives it the serial port and an extra USB port, as well as the VGA port. So you end up with being able to upgrade this unit to any ports as you move along. So if you need to make a change, you remove these two screws, pop this port out, pop a new one in to whatever you need. Another nice feature on this FZ-55 is the hard drive. So here's the hard drive. And basically, it just pops out like this. Take a look at that. I've now got a second hard drive that I want to put in, maybe a different operating system or a different program. Boom, I've got the hard drive installed and I'm ready to turn it on. That's how fast you can change the hard drive on the FZ-55. The FZ-55 is IP rating 5.3, which means that you can drop it from about desk height and it'll still work. That's what they say. The 3 in that number means that it will withstand spraying droplets. So maybe a misty rain can spray up against it and you'll still be quite, it still won't bother the laptop at all. That makes it a semi-rugged version. So this is Panasonic's premier flagship semi-rugged laptop that they're selling today. I want to know your thoughts. Leave them in the comments. Subscribe to my channel, please, and like this video, and I'll see you guys next week.